Hey there, it's Tony with the Potted Poppy. Today I want to show you how to hang a plant using anchor hooks into your ceiling. You can get these hooks usually in 2-packs, and they'll come with 2 different attachments. You can see they'll just kind of like screw right out. So this is for a beam if you have wood beams in your ceiling, which is super awesome because it's really easy to just kind of screw in. If you have drywall ceilings like me, you're going to have to use this attachment onto the hook. Because it acts as an anchor into the drywall is like pretty thin, so this will kind of hold it into place. So these are the 2 things you're going to need. Also, you're going to need a drill, you're going to need a mask, and you're going to need some goggles, especially if you have the drywall, because the stuff will fall down onto your face and it gets really messy sometimes. So make sure you have all those necessary things ready to go before you start drilling. So you just want to make sure that your drill bit is the same circumference as your butterfly toggle when it's like pinched together like that. So you can see how it's like roughly the same size, because you're going to be shimmying this up into the ceiling. So you want to make it easier for yourself. So just make the hole a little bit bigger, and then it'll just pop open in there. And I'll show you that in a minute. So it's really important to remember that you have your hook and your screw all put together before you put it into the ceiling. Otherwise, it's really easy to lose the toggle and the screw in the ceiling if the hook is not attached. So from there, you just take it, you want to squeeze the little anchor together, and then you just kind of shimmy it up there until it gets up there, and then it pops. I don't know if you can hear that pop. And then from there, you just want to screw just like that until it's pretty tight. And right there, it's pretty solid. So there you go. And now for the fun part, to hang the plants. Today I'm going to use a Philodendron Brazil. I really like this plant. The green stripes are really beautiful. It's great for a low light area, which is what I have over here in this corner. And I'm just going to bring it up and hang it up there. Voila. And you can actually make the plant longer if you want it to go a little bit longer. It's really easy to just add an S-hook, or you add a little piece of string to like make another loop so you can bring it down. For me, I like this height here. I think it looks really pretty. It's like a nice, I didn't want like something overly bushy in this corner, so I think it looks pretty good over here. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave a message in the comments below, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.